Hey guys, so I don't know how to start a video anymore. I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 years. To give you a little bit of context on what I'm doing right now, what I'm gonna be doing. Basically, I dropped out of school. Yeah, I have my own apartment. I live alone. And there's a kitchen in the apartment. Why not use it, I guess? Also, if you hear some noise in the background, it's my mom. My dad just left. He's in Chicago as we speak. And my mom doesn't want to be home alone. She's scared, so she decided to go to my apartment. Today we're gonna be doing spaghetti tacos from iCarly. I should probably change because I don't want to get this dirty. Okay, I need olive oil, onions, garlic, salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, dried oregano, dried parsley. By the way, this isn't a tutorial on how to do it. This is just a cooking with Elsa video, because what else am I supposed to do with my life? Ground beef and pork, breadcrumbs, ricotta cheese, chopped fresh parsley, 1 beaten egg, Parmesan milk, spaghetti, and taco shells. So I don't actually know how to cook this. I need to grab my pans and pots and stuff. Oops. So like I said, I live alone, so whenever I'm bored, I bake. And I usually bake at 12 in the morning up till like 3 in the morning because, you know, why not? What else am I supposed to do? First step, I need this. I need 1/4 the cup of olive oil. I think this is too much of a small pan. We got that big boy. This is gonna be a disaster, I already know it. I forgot to chop the onions. Ugh! 10 cloves? I need 10 cloves of garlic? What in the world? No, I don't. I'm gonna put 5. It's really hot. I'm gonna go change again. I don't know how to chop an onion. Is this a good angle? Guys, my angles are really good, right? Let's see which knife I shall use. I don't know how to peel off an onion, Mom.
Cut it in half first.
Should I use a bigger knife?
Of course.
Oh, okay. I love country music. I think these are too big. Now I need to mince the garlic, whatever that means. Oh my god, my eyes are starting to water. Whoa, Mom! Do your eyes water when you cut onions?
Yes.
That's not nice, but I already cry on a daily basis. I don't need to cry even more. Country roads! I don't like cooking. I don't like chopping stuff.
It's too big.
I'm sorry! Yeah. I want you in your beautiful soul. Guys, look at my tattoo. It's nice, right? This is so messy. Why is it falling apart? Like my life! I almost chopped off my finger there. These onions are way too big, but you know what? I don't care. Does it look like a hair? No.
What's up, bitches? I'm back.
We have the 1/4 cup of olive oil in here. Now we're gonna add our onions. There's like skin everywhere, but you know what? I don't care. I know, I'm sorry. I don't know how to cut, okay? These onions are way too big.
And I told you it's too much.
I'm sorry. You know what? I learned from my mistakes and now I'm never gonna repeat them, okay, Mom? Don't worry. Next time I cook this, I'm gonna chop them smaller. It says salt to taste, so I guess... Oh, that's a lot. That looks nasty, but okay. It says to take 1/3 of a cup and save it for later, so I guess that's what we're gonna do. I think that's good. Oh, wait. Shit. That's not... Wait. 1/3... Fuck. Nope, wrong. I need 1/6. And now I'm supposed to put this in the onion, but it's gonna splash, so I have to put it gently. I'm supposed to stir it with the onions now. Doesn't really want to mix though. I just realized I'm like really out of frame or whatever. Alright, so now I have to put a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. So let's open this too. Okay, now it says to simmer for at least 30 minutes. Right now we're gonna do the meatballs. So I need 1/2 pound of ground beef and 1/2 pound of ground pork. Now I don't have a scale or anything, so we're just gonna wing it. that seems about right. Okay, that's half a pound of pork. That's probably more than half, but oh well. Now it says to put the onions that I saved up earlier. Let's drink a Monster. Okay, yeah, that's kind of impossible. Let's do this instead. So now I need half a cup of ricotta cheese. I have no idea what ricotta cheese is. I'm guessing it's a type of cheese. Oh, I need to chop up parsley. I don't know how to chop parsley. Does it look like I know how to chop parsley? No. And my cutting board is all dirty. You know what? I'm just gonna chop it off right here. Okay, I don't think that's a good idea, but you know what? Living is not a good idea, okay? I don't know how to chop this. What am I supposed to do with this now? I need 1 beaten egg. Let's beat up this egg. That's about 1/4 of a cup. Now it says to use my hands. Depression and obsession don't mix well. Mom, look at my balls. Twin sister, side by side. Oh, I might need the bigger pan. Fuck. I'm gonna switch it to the bigger pan. These are nice looking balls. Such a fucking hoe. I love. Okay, I need to make these balls smaller. I'm done with the meatballs. I just preheated the oven. And I'm gonna put it inside once it's preheated, and I'm just gonna clean up a bit. The kitchen's a mess, and there's onions on the floor everywhere, so I'm just gonna clean that. Hey guys, the meatballs are ready. Ignorance in my head, fuck whoever you are, I do it. So far we've got the meatballs, we've got the pasta, which I think is ready. And then we've got the sauce, and now the taco shells. And now we put this in for like 5 minutes, I guess. Alright, we're gonna transfer the meatballs onto this wire cooling crate. I think we're ready to eat. Oh yeah! Oh shit, I have to drain the water from the pasta, that's so true. Est-ce que les backpackers sont encore nostalgic? Now we shall put the sauce in the pasta. Alright, now I'm just gonna put it on a plate and let's taste the spaghetti tacos. Ooh, let's put some Parmesan cheese on top. Oh, look at that. So yeah, let's taste it and see if it tastes like shit or not. It's really messy to eat. But to be honest, it's pretty good. It's just really hard to eat. It's very plain and bland. Other than that, I think I did a pretty good job. Wow, it only took 3 hours to cook. It's already 3:10. You know what? I'm glad I dropped out of school, because if I didn't, I wouldn't be able to make this, you know? If I didn't drop out of school, I would be like, what, in English class right now? Reading Romeo and Juliet? Mom, are you proud of me?
Yes.
We did it, guys. I'm not a disappointment. I would call up my dad, but he's on a plane right now, but he would be so proud of me. I don't know how to do a natural anymore, so I guess I'm gonna go. Bye!